The easiest way to install Syncplify Server on Linux is to take advantage of the ready-made one-line scripts we provide on our knowledge base. Link in the description below. Simply choose the script that matches your CPU architecture and available HTTP client and copy-paste it into your terminal. Accept the license agreement and let it run its course. Once the native part of the deployment is complete, the process will continue in your browser. The security warning at this stage is expected, since at first the software is using a self-signed certificate. You'll be able to import your own certificate later on. The web-based portion of the setup procedure is where you choose the type of deployment, the node name, and create the first superadmin profile. At the end of this part, the setup is complete and you can log into the superadmin UI. Activate your license if you already own one, or simply request a trial license with the click of a button. After license activation, you will have to log in again. This is completely normal. This interface is where most of the global server configuration lives. Make sure you explore all the available settings. Refer to the manual for an in-depth explanation of each option. Once you're familiar with the global settings, it's time to create your first virtual site. That's a fully isolated instance of the entire protocol server, with its own virtual file systems and user profiles. To create it, you have two options: a simpler and more automated one, and a manual one for experts. Just configure a small set of settings, and your first virtual site will be created in no time. Once your virtual site has been created, you can perform more in-depth configurations, or simply start it right away. And once your virtual site is up and running, it's time to click the Manage button and log into its admin interface to start creating your virtual file systems, users, and so on, which is the subject of another dedicated video on the Syncplify official YouTube channel. Thanks for watching and enjoy your day.